You are tuned into the Black Nation of Israel. The Black Nation of Israel. Black men and women to the Negroes of slave descent, the tribe of Judah, the true and real biblical Israelites. That's in the Western Hemisphere and all over the world. What we need to do now is focus on the real enemy, which is the world system, the world political system, the Gentiles of the other nations, because we are hated. We are the most hated of all people on the planet. The scriptures speak that we shall be hated of all nations. What we need to do now is focus on who the real enemy is. And the enemy is not ourselves. The enemy is not the black man. The enemy is this world system and other Gentiles who is against us. The Gentiles represent the other nations. This is who we need to be against, not ourselves, you see. Single black women who have the feminist superior agenda. Put aside your feminism. Put aside your superiority complex against black men, against the Negro man, and unite and realize who your common enemy is. This world system, the Gentiles who have you in this economic predicament. Because see, I said this too many times, that people who control the world, people who control the money control the world. The Negro do not control the world. The Negro do not control the money. The people who control the money control the world. The Negro don't control the money. We are not your enemy. And also, the black man, the Negro man, who is into harming another black man, put aside your hatred against another black man and realize who your common enemy is. Your common enemy is this world system, this world government, this world system, the governments of the world. This is who your common enemy is. Not your brother of your own nation. You see. If it's ever a time to stick together, it should be now. This is a wake-up call. This is a wake-up call. That's all I'm going to say for now. I have an upcoming video coming soon. Tomorrow. Coming soon tomorrow. Peace.